For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Alex Karp, the Chief Executive Officer of Palantir, has recently divested a significant portion of his equity in the data analytics company he co-founded and continues to lead. Official documentation filed with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission reveals that Karp executed stock sales on the 20th and 21st of May. During these transactions, shares were sold at prices fluctuating between $125.26 and $127.70 per share. Despite the substantial value of stock sold exceeding $50 million, Karp still retains approximately 6,430,000 shares in the company. These remaining shares are estimated to be worth about $787 million, signifying his continued vested interest in Palantir's long-term trajectory. Karp is not alone in this recent wave of insider selling. Other senior members of Palantir's leadership team have also been divesting their holdings amid a surge in the company's market performance. Shyam Sankar, who holds the role of Chief Technology Officer, sold around $21 million worth of stock. Similarly, Stephen Cohen, a co-founder who now serves as the company's president, sold shares amounting to a total of $43.5 million. These transactions come at a time when Palantir's stock has been hitting historic highs, which has driven its market valuation into the ranks of the top 10 most valuable publicly traded American technology firms. The growing market enthusiasm surrounding Palantir shares is fueled in large part by the company's increasing focus on artificial intelligence technology and its expanding portfolio of government contracts, especially in the field of national defense. As the global race to deploy artificial intelligence solutions intensifies, Palantir's unique capabilities in analyzing and operationalizing massive datasets make it an attractive partner for governments seeking to modernize their military and surveillance infrastructure. This narrative has significantly strengthened investor confidence, further driving the share price upward and increasing institutional interest in the stock. However, it is important to note that the bullish sentiment has not been without interruptions. Earlier in the month of May, Palantir released its quarterly earnings results. Within this announcement, the company chose to retract its previously issued full-year outlook, citing concerns related to international expansion and geopolitical uncertainty. Following the announcement, Palantir stock experienced a temporary dip as the market reacted to the updated guidance. Nevertheless, the decline proved to be short-lived, as investor confidence was quickly restored, pushing the share price back into positive territory. Since the start of the calendar year, the company's stock has experienced a remarkable increase of 62%, a reflection of the market's long-term faith in its business strategy and growth potential. Turning to analyst sentiment, the stock currently holds a consensus rating of hold among 18 Wall Street analysts. This consensus is derived from a breakdown of 3 buy recommendations, 11 hold recommendations, and 4 sell recommendations issued within the past 3 months. The average price target, according to these analysts, stands at $100.13. This suggests a potential downside of 18.2% from the stock's present trading levels. While the consensus may appear neutral, there are prominent voices on Wall Street that remain decidedly bullish on Palantir's future. One of the most vocal supporters of the stock has been Wedbush Securities, a prominent equity research firm. Wedbush reaffirmed its outperform rating and set an ambitious target price of $140 following a major new contract win by Palantir. The catalyst was an extension to the company's ongoing work on the Maven Smart System for the United States Army, which added $795 million to the existing contract. This extension brings the total value of the Maven initiative to approximately $1.3 billion, marking Palantir's first ever contract to surpass the billion-dollar threshold. Daniel Ives, a lead analyst at Wedbush, stated that this latest development solidifies Palantir's critical role in defense data fusion and target identification, a space that is becoming increasingly vital to national security strategies. Ives pointed to the previous portion of the Maven contract, which was awarded earlier in May of 2024 and was valued at $480 million. He emphasized that this long-term engagement illustrates Palantir's indispensable value in deploying mission-critical artificial intelligence-driven solutions for military use. In addition to the Maven contract, Palantir has secured a $30 million agreement to implement the Immigration OS system for the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency. This system is designed to enhance data integration, intelligence analysis, and operational efficiency in immigration enforcement, a key area of focus for the federal government. Wedbush highlighted that these projects reflect a broader government trend of adopting artificial intelligence to achieve more with fewer resources, a necessity as federal budgets come under increasing pressure. Despite these fiscal constraints, spending on core defense technology remains robust, creating a favorable environment for companies like Palantir. Looking forward, Wedbush analysts also pointed to the potential role Palantir may play in future national defense initiatives, such as the Golden Dome Missile Defense Program. This proposed $175 billion initiative is being modeled after Israel's Iron Dome and is reportedly backed by President Donald Trump. The proposal includes $25 billion already allocated for the year 2026. Ives and his team expect that Palantir, with its existing infrastructure and proven capabilities, will likely secure a major role in this ambitious endeavor. If successful, this could significantly expand Palantir's influence and revenue base within the defense sector. The importance of these developments cannot be overstated. Palantir's ability to repeatedly win high-value, multi-year government contracts creates a strong foundation for revenue predictability and long-term growth. These consistent wins reinforce the thesis that the company is becoming a cornerstone of modern defense infrastructure, especially as the military continues to pivot toward artificial intelligence and data-driven decision-making. The company's capacity to deliver scalable, secure, and effective solutions in highly sensitive environments differentiates it from competitors and positions it as a leader in this rapidly evolving space. As artificial intelligence adoption accelerates across both public and private sectors, Palantir's dual focus on government and commercial markets will likely be a powerful catalyst for further expansion. While short-term volatility may arise due to geopolitical factors or broader market trends, the underlying strength of Palantir's business model and its strategic positioning in the artificial intelligence ecosystem make a compelling case for long-term investors. The reaffirmation of a $140 price target by analysts at Wedbush reflects this confidence and underscores the stock's potential upside. In the end, Palantir's top executives, including Chief Executive Officer Alex Karp, Chief Technology Officer Shyam Sankar, and President Stephen Cohen, have recently sold a combined total of over $100 million in company stock, even as Palantir's share price reached new highs and the firm entered the top 10 most valuable United States tech companies. This surge in value is driven by Palantir's growing involvement in artificial intelligence and its expanding portfolio of lucrative government contracts, particularly in defense. Despite retracting its annual guidance due to global expansion concerns, the stock has risen 62% this year. Analysts remain cautious, with most rating the stock a hold, though Wedbush reaffirmed an outperform rating and a $140 price target following Palantir's first ever billion-dollar deal with the United States Army for the Maven smart system. Additional wins, such as a $30 million contract for the Immigration OS system and potential involvement in the proposed $175 billion Golden Dome defense project, further highlight Palantir's deepening role in national security infrastructure. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.